So what I have here is mainstays that I got from Walmart just less than a week ago, and it was about 14 bucks. This has been used, and this is probably going to be used constantly every night. So you can see it is. You can't really see that well. It's a mainstays model MBF 918 9-inch box fan. 0.7 amps, 45 watts. Made in China. So hopefully this thing lasts a long time. It was manufactured in December 2021. Let's show you the first speed. Start off with low. It's actually a very quiet box fan, and it blows a decent amount of air. Let's see. I have a balloon here for testing. It blows it pretty far away. And that's just on low. And the motor makes a good noise too. Just a medium. For being a Walmart fan and only being 14 bucks, it actually blows a good amount of air. I'm pretty impressed with this thing. And the motor seems like it's decent quality too. Of course, with it being a cheap fan, it's made with pretty cheap materials. But there's nothing that can really be done about that. So hopefully this fan lasts me a long time. And see you in the next video.